Okay, welcome to our purge clean. This is gonna be really hard to do with annoying noise in the background because there's people working all around me. Anyways, so we're here to purge and clean out someone's house. One of our followers reached out to us to see if we would be able to come and help them. They're moving their dad from a very large house into a smaller space, and I really wanted to do this project because I think a lot of people are going through this, like especially millennials with their boomer parents or older parents, trying to move them, downsize them, move them in with them, or move them into a smaller place. So this is like pretty on the nose for what's going on in the world right now, I think. And also boomers have a lot of and we have to get rid of all of it. Okay, so follow along. So 1-800-GOT-JUNK is coming and like gifting us a bunch of trucks. So 3 to be precise actually. So they're gonna come tomorrow. So our whole entire job today is just to purge, figure out donation, garbage, recycle, all of that stuff. So we've started by putting everything in boxes, because really what you do with 1-800-GOT-JUNK, you come in, you point at something, and they take it away. It's amazing. They come into your house, it doesn't have to be in the driveway, it doesn't have to be in the garage. They do it all. With that is. This I'm gonna go bring up.
Oh.
Trudy, what are you doing?
Cleaning out these cupboards. Why do I always get stuck doing the kitchens?
I like your spatula.
My shovel.
Okay, we have done the basement and the garage, which is all we're doing here is making piles for donation and piles for garbage. And then 1-800-GOT-JUNK is they come in and make the decision, because like they would know what is better junk or donation than we do. But now we're upstairs into the bedrooms. Some of the furniture is staying in this house because it was like the landlord is moving back in, and it was furnished when he moved in here because he was renting. So it needs to be cleaned really good, which I've got an itch, like a tick, tick, tick in my eye, because I want to clean stuff, but I can't do anything until all the is gone. So that's your 3.5-hour update.
Well, I've been drinking out of this one. I think I'm drinking out of somebody's cup. That's not mine.
We are on day 2, and we have 1-800-GOT-JUNK here, who's removing all of the trash and the donations and the recyclables, and then the rest of us. Some of the team is downstairs working in the basement, and then just because there's like a lot of chaos going on, the first truck just left, but the 1-800-GOT-JUNK team is in and out of here. So while I can, I'm going to clean the top of this stove top, just because I kind of have to be able to talk to people. So it's a job that I can spray stuff, let it sit, walk away, scrub, come back. We have until Friday to get this completely done. Today is only Tuesday. Yesterday was completely purging the house. Today is junk removal, and we're just gonna try to clean like here and there where we can, where people aren't around. And it's really loud, so I apologize. Okay, we are on day 4 and we forgot to do a day 3 update because we were so busy at work. So we'll show you everything that we did yesterday. The girls got the whole entire upstairs done. I got the fridge done and the garage done. Mom hit the kitchen pretty hard, but she still has work to do today to finish it up. But this is day 4. We're gonna be finished by the end of the day. Come hell or high water, I'm telling you. Like, I don't care if we're here till 9 o'clock, we're getting it done.
Trudy, do you have an update for me?
For what? I need you to go clean that window on the outside.
No!
Okay, we have 2 more hours left, but we're in the final stages. We're doing like the grout scrub. All of our shit is out in the garage. We've got a pile of it. And we gotta do the final like fluff and dust, and then we're out of here. We are mopping our way out. It is the end of day 4, and it took, I'm gonna say it took us 3 total days of cleaning. No, because it was 1 day of junk removal, 1 day of purging, and then we've got 2.5 days of cleaning because we started cleaning halfway through the junk removal. So anyways, but we cleaned every single inch of this whole entire house. This house will never be as clean as it is right now for as long as it shall live, unless they do a renovation, because it's like a 20-year-old house. We can only clean so much. Some stuff needs to be replaced, but we did bring a lot of this stuff, just like as good as we could, back to new. This was so much fun. Like, we just had a great time because we were able to take our time and we were able to clean everything the way that we wanted to, and we knew that we were doing a good thing. We were helping someone out. So just remember that as people get older, it's very hard for them to keep up doing cleaning and like keep up the house and do all the stuff that they normally were able to do, and sometimes they get stubborn and they can't do it. So if you have a senior citizen, your mom, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, that you could help out, maybe go clean their house, give it a little shine up, that'd be great. Let us inspire you. Now, what I usually say is, your stuff isn't wrecked, just clean it. But in this case, sometimes your stuff is wrecked, but that's because you've neglected it for 15 to 20 years.